look at that. Don't push too hard. But what I'm going to have to do is attach it with a little bit of buttercream. I'm going to use the gray. I just wanted to make sure it was going to sit nicely down there. I'm going to flip it over. Just take a little bit of this. Just put a little bit down the center and just a little bit here and there. And we'll actually end up covering that up with some of the flames or some of the food. So don't worry if you can see some of it. Once we put it on there, we'll go ahead and cover that. We just have to secure it somehow. Okay. Now for the handles. So I'm going to melt some chocolate and then go ahead and pop these in. So now I've got my chocolate melted in the bag here. What I'll do is first kind of place it up there, see which way I want it, and then I'll just go ahead and put some of the chocolate there. Don't worry if it looks a little sloppy, we will cover it up, I promise. You just kind of have to watch it until it sets. No sudden movements, people. Don't let your kids run around you while you're doing this part. Just add some more chocolate, and what we could do is just actually dust this with some more of the silver, and it really won't be that noticeable. Just kind of look at it, make sure they're, not flopping over on you. And we'll just set the chocolate aside, but keep it near you just in case you have to add a little bit more. Because you never know, it might fall on you. Yeah, you know what I think I'm gonna do? Yeah, that'll be good right there. And this would go there. What I'm gonna do to really secure this is actually use the same chocolate. We're gonna cover this up. At the base, it's actually gonna be grass. But it's a good idea to actually have the chocolate here to secure it. So I'm going to pop that on there. Don't worry about that. I'm going to cover it. Then here, we'll add some chocolate inside there. And then we'll put a little over here. It's actually touching the handle there, so that's a great place to add more chocolate. Unfortunately, I didn't cover up that seam that I wanted to, but we'll do that with something else. Just didn't work out, but the thought was there. Hey, looking good.